Hey YouTube, I I'm here today instead of my hands. Uh, Camera shy, uh, and but I had something important, and I wanted to ask you about it. You know, we've got a lot of the kits are great, and we're having a good time with them. And I've done the how-tos, and I've also got a website, and that's what I want to talk about. I was wondering if I could get you to participate, help me out with it. You know, the kits are a great opportunity for people that don't have any background in it. You know, to to learn. It's it, it's it's fun, and the secret is just being able to get the kit and be able to complete it. And we've all come to a point to where that's guaranteed. In the early days it was a little harder, but it's not hard at all anymore. And there are plenty of resources. I've done some step by step from day one. I recognized the fact that there were a lot of people that were unsure and didn't have the experience, and I wanted them to have that opportunity. And so we've come a long way, and there was so much information, little stuff, that there was no central repository for that information. And so that's where the website idea came from. And since that time, I've tried to load it up with all kinds of information, like tools. You got to do a pressure test. What does it take to complete it? There's a few more items needed than just the pressure tester, and a packing list, and there are hints, and there's different things that you need to know, and all that's contained for at least 3 or 4 saws on there. And if you have any information, any suggestions or hints that you'd like for other people to know, that you think that they would benefit from, if you'll tell me, I put it up on there. I thought that it would be better. The longer I do this, I realize that it's really a community. People are always contacting me and asking me questions and thanking me, and so I understand that, and I'd like to carry it a step further and make sure that everybody has got all the information they need, and that's a good way to do it. It's just that website will be there, and from now on, and if you have anything that you can contribute, there's an easy way to do it. In my YouTube channel, I believe it's on the About page, there's a little message button. And if you use that message button to contact me and tell me whatever you want me to know, you can also send me your email address if you need to, and tell me as much as you can, and I'll contact you for more information. I don't know if you can attach photos or not, but again, I would contact you and get whatever you wanted to share. So, what do you think? If you have anything to, please reach out, and I'll put it up, and we'll march forward. Maybe they'll come up with another kit or something for us to do. But in the meantime, the ones that are there, maintaining them is also a good thing to do, and there's information on that. Okay, well, that's the video for today, and we'll go back to just looking at my hands. Okay, all right.